delicious breakfast using ingredients that are really good for good brain health and good overall health. I'm doing a chia pudding. I'm starting with my chia, all about a half a cup of chia, and I'm using coconut milk. We're trying to use good fat because we know that the brain is about 57% fat. And we need good fat like omega-3 fatty acid that we get right here in the chia. So in this bowl I have chia and coconut milk. I'm going to add some more chia to this. I'm making a breakfast that is really good for brain health that will decrease Alzheimer's by many years. So we know that the brain is 57% fat. We want to ensure we have good fat, not saturated fat, but we have good omegas, omega-3 fatty acid that we get a lot from chia seed. Omega-3 fatty acid will keep your blood vessels clean and therefore prevent stroke and increase blood flow to the brain cells. You can see it's getting thickened here. And then you know that berries are wonderful. Berries are great for brain health. Berries contain polyphenols. Polyphenols have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. As antioxidant, they really fight free radicals and decrease oxidative stress and therefore preserve brain cell function and decrease aging. As antioxidant actually is anti-inflammatory. I'm adding my berries to this, beautiful berries. As anti-inflammatory properties, they really prevent chronic illnesses like hypertension, diabetes, and of course cardiovascular disease, and increase blood flow to the brain. I'm gonna let this sit, then I'm gonna return and show you the end product. So I'll be right back. So it is now ready. My chia pudding is ready. I'm topping it off with some berry sauce. This is delicious. It's gonna add some sweetness to the dish. It is delicious. How do you make this berry sauce? You get the berries. You just heat the berries slowly, mash the berries, and you develop a beautiful sauce. I'm topping this off, and you could use whatever berries you like. And if you like coconut flakes, you could add that to it, and some nuts. You're getting good fat and more vitamins, vitamin E, that is essential for good brain health. Now I'm going to taste this, and you're going to see how it tastes. Delicious. You should try some.